Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase professional networking with Meetup, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Meetup website or downloading the Meetup app. Create an account if you don't have one already. Fill in your profile with relevant information about your professional background and interests. Use a clear profile picture to enhance your credibility. Search for groups related to your industry or interests. Use keywords that reflect your profession to narrow down your options. Join groups that resonate with your goals. Attend events hosted by these groups to maximize your exposure. Prepare a brief introduction about yourself and your professional aspirations. Engage with other attendees during the events. Be proactive in starting conversations and exchanging contact information. Ask questions to show genuine interest in others. Follow up with people you meet after the events. Connect on LinkedIn or other professional networking sites. Join discussions in group forums to maintain visibility. Share valuable resources or insights within the group. Host your own Meetup event to establish yourself as a leader in your field. Promote your event through social media and within the Meetup platform. Encourage attendees to invite others to expand your network further. Continuously refine your approach based on the interactions you have. Stay consistent and active in your networking efforts to build lasting connections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.